Level up your Excel with these 3 tricks. Here's one way to create order numbers for your sales sheet. Start by adding in your numbers. Go to Fill, Series, Columns, and we'll set this to 40 for now. Under Order Type, let's create a drop-down menu by going to Data, Data Validation, Set to List, and add in our extensions for the different types of orders that we fulfill. Click OK. Then expand that. Then we'll go to Order Number, and we'll use this formula. Equals if order type is greater than 0, then let's use the Concat formula to add in our order type, followed by 3 zeros, followed by our number, and if order type is not greater than 0, then nothing happens. Expand this value, and finally use our drop-down menu to create our order numbers. Use the TextSplit function to quickly separate text in a column into 2 new columns. Equals TextSplit. Choose your cell, and then choose your delimiter, in this case, space. Close and done. Copy this into all of your rows, and there you go. Turn your business or product survey results into a numerical value to better read your results. Using switch equals switch. Select your cell. Add your value. Poor. We'll get a value of 1. Okay. We'll get a value of 2. And great. We'll get a value of 3. Add this to all of your cells. Then let's use the average function and select our column. Now we have our average value of our survey result. Comment Excel to learn more.